bend down for this. Alright, so hey girls, welcome back to my channel. So today, by the title and my desk here, we are doing a vanity tour because I updated my makeup collection and I reorganized it and I got a new counter and I got new stuff. So we are doing, like I said, a makeup vanity tour. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna start off on the stuff that's like in front here. So I'm just gonna, I'm on the side here. For my actual like setup, I got this all from IKEA. Yes, it's basic. Yes, everyone has it, but you know what? It's very spacious, and that's why everyone has it. So that's my reasoning. Anyways, so I have the two drawers, this and that drawer. They are the Alex drawers. We have this Lindemann tabletop. This is the biggest one, I think. I think this is $50. I'm not sure. I got this tabletop and one of the drawers off of Facebook Marketplace. So if you guys are looking for some, go on there because this alone is $100, which I paid for one of them. So go on the Marketplace. They always have deals and you guys can probably find stuff. So yeah, I paid $5 for the countertop. It's a regular 50 bucks. And I paid $50 for this, a cupboard, and a tabletop for 50 bucks as well. And then I sold it back for $60. So I didn't even end up spending anything because, you know, I'm a bargaining. You can call me a scam artist, whatever. I'm a bargaining person. Okay, that's how you bargain. Yeah, and that's how you flip your sales. Anyways. Okay, so I'm gonna flip to my actual counter, top space, all this thing. So I'm gonna flip to vlog style now. So on top of my desk, I just have this mirror. Hi, hello, it's me. This mirror is a small mirror from Jisk, and then the lights surrounding it are just from Walmart. I have my two cups. One of them is from Superstore. One of them is from Marshalls, and it's Cancer and Stitch because I love Stitch. I keep my candle on there so it makes my room smell good. And then here in the corner, I have my Impressions mirror for my close-ups. Yeah. On this side, I just have my reusable Starbucks cup. Yes, we are saving the turtles. Hello. But yeah, and then on this side, I just have some pictures. So I have pictures of me and Brittany and then me and Natalie. So yeah, that is what is in top of my desk. And then underneath, oh, that chair is from IKEA, and then my garbage bin is from the dollar store. So yeah, that is what the tabletop looks like. And then now we're gonna go into the drawers. Alright guys, so I'm on my desk. I'm wearing different clothes because I showered. Anyways, I'm starting on the right side drawers. So on the top drawer here, I have like my main essentials. I got these clear cases from Walmart. It was like $2. So I just have like my skincare, hand sanitizers, masks over here. I have cotton pads and Q-tips for my makeup. And I just have like samples of stuff I got and like creams for my eyes. I also have my lighter for my candle, fan, makeup remover, lotion, my glasses case, and makeup remover wipes. So yeah. In the second drawer, I have my jewelry that I don't really wear as much and that I want tucked away because there's no cover for it. And I have my electronics in here. So I have like an extra SD card, my cords, my tripod for my camera, all that. And then in the third drawer, this is really just like a random drawer. So I have like my extra makeup in these bags. So it's all like hidden in here, like giveaway makeup I have in these bags. Extra brushes in here. This is like one of those, what's it called, laser hair removal kits. And then I have my extra makeup pads there. this fourth drawer, I just have some hair products. So this is like all the products that go in my hair. I have some lotions back there for my body, extra perfumes, and then I have another one of these clear trays with my barrettes, clips, and other clips. So yeah. And then the last one is literally all my tools for my hair. So my brushes, my curling iron straightener, and my scrunchies. So yeah, that's what is on this right drawer here. So hi, how are ya? Moving on to this side here. This is literally my entire makeup. So I have on my top drawer, I have those containers again. Again, these are from Walmart. I have this is from the Dollar Store. So back here, I just have one of my eyelashes that I wear, that I have used, that I'm still wearing. So yeah. So over here in this far section, I have lip stuff. So I have these containers of lip canisters. These are just Vaseline. And then I have like all my lip liners in here and like my lipsticks that I use. Here I have all my lip balms. Yes, I'm a lip balm hoarder. I know, I'm sorry. Here I have all my tools. So like my eyelash curlers, stuff to do my eyebrows, tweezers, all of that. This area I have my mascaras and eyeliners. This one is my eyelash glue and pencil liners, all of that. In here I have the ColourPop eyeshadows, the single ones here, and then I have some gel liners here and eyebrow gels and these single NYX shimmers. Here I have my mini mascaras, my eyebrow gel, all that. So now going into the second drawer. This drawer is my face drawer. So I have again those containers from Walmart. This is all my bronzers, my face powders, blushes. This is like my primers and like strobe creams. Foundations here, these are my concealers. And then in this thing here, I have my highlighters. And then in the back there, I have setting sprays and extra makeup that I have not used. Extra beauty sponges, all of that. So that's what's in this drawer. In the third drawer is where I have all my eyeshadow palettes. These are just all of them. I have my bigger ones back here, like my Morphe palettes. And then these are like my Hush palettes, Naked palettes, more Hush palettes, the Lorelei palette. Yeah. And then I have some BH ones here and other Hush ones and Tarte palettes. This fourth drawer, I have my face palettes. I don't have that many face palettes because I use mostly singles, but they're mostly honestly highlighting palettes. This is a blush palette. Got some blush contour palettes back there. And then in the last drawer here, ooh, it's so pretty. Hi. This is where I keep my eyelashes and lipsticks. So I have all my eyelashes by Viso-Free here. Oh my god, Harley! No! But I have all my eyelashes by Viso-Free here. These are like my Eyelure ones. These are just random big cases ones. Velour ones. And then back here I have these containers that I don't want on my counter. I know it's weird, but I just don't like the look of it on my counter. I think it looks messy and ugly, so I keep them hidden in here. And honestly, I don't wear lipstick enough for me to be wearing it. So yeah, that is my vanity. Ooh, she's cute. Oh, hello. So yeah, that is basically my makeup collection. I just have a lot of like space now for extra makeup if I do buy, which is great. So yeah, that is my makeup collection. I was not doing this in any way to brag, but I hope you guys liked it. I'm sorry you can see my bed, it's a mess. Hi, yeah, I live a very messy life, sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe down below. I love you guys. Don't forget to love yourself. And until next time, I will see y'all later. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Bye.